we're gonna talk about ram's horn snails and how we can make money out of them. So today we're picking up some snails. We're not picking up, we're selling our snails. We have a bunch of these ram's horn snails in my aquarium, and we're trying to sell them through eBay. And at the same time, I don't have to keep getting rid of them, so this way I could actually make some money out of it. Not much, I make like $2 or $3, but at least it's something, right? Bunch of snails in here. They all came from this aquarium, and now we get to sell them. We also give away a little flyer so they know when they come back and where to come back to. So I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about the snails. Snails are basically another way I make some money off of selling stuff from my aquarium. As you can see, I have a bunch. A lot of these ram's horn snails. Let me see here. I recently made a video on selling them, and I had a few questions as to why I was selling them, if I actually like them. And to be honest, sometimes they can be a little annoying, especially in my show tanks. But they do randomly make me some money, so I did want to talk about it. I sell them online. They're really cheap. I'm not gonna lie. I saw, I think, like 5 or 10 of them for like $3 because I have so many. If you were to buy them, I think they're a little more expensive off of other people, but I sell them because I just want to get rid of them, and I have so many. So again, it helps me keep the population in check, so I say why not. I usually do a good amount, and I even throw in extra. Like the other time the gentleman came for the picked up, I think paid for 20. I ended up giving them like 40. So yeah, but it basically gives you another way to make money out of your aquarium. I have fish in here, I have shrimp in here, as you can see. Fish, shrimp, and I also have snails. So basically, I'm selling 1, 2, and 3 things out of this aquarium. And not only that, I'm also gonna start selling these this moss, because as you can tell, I have a good amount here as well. So there's that too. But yeah. Just wanted to mention that snails are a great way that you can make a little bit of more extra money, help you pay for something in the hobby. Again, you're not going to get rich off of these snails. They're not really worth as much as the other ones. But yeah, I think it's a great way to produce extra cash out of your aquarium. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. If you liked the video, did you learn anything from it? Consider liking and subscribing to see more videos like that. And if you did like the video and want to see more like that, drop that down in the comments below so I know what to make for my next video. Anyway, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I see you in the next video.